Good morning students, my name is Ishita. I am going to take your English in 6th standard. So today we are going to start with our first chapter, Who Did Patrick's Homework. In this chapter, there is a boy named Patrick. He never do his homework. He said it is very boring to do homework and to study, and he likes to play only hockey, volleyball, football or video games instead. And his teachers told him that he must do his work or else he will not learn anything, but he used to ignore all those things and keeps on playing. One day he saw his cat playing with a doll. Instantly he grabbed that doll, and what he was surprised, he saw that it was not a doll, it was a little man or elf, wearing a old fashioned trouser, coat and tall hat, like witches. Like in cartoons also we have saw that witches are wearing that tall hat. So that type of attire he was having, and he saw that it is a elf, not a doll, and he was shouting, that little man, that elf was shouting, help me, and I'll grant you a wish. He said to Patrick that I'll grant you a wish if you will not give me back to a cat. And instantly Patrick got an idea, and he thought that yes, this is the only solution of my problem, this elf will do all my work, my homework, and he'll help me with everything. So he asked elf that yes, I'll help you, but in return you'll have to do my homework, all my homework till semester ends, and semester is of 35 days. So elf got irritated and shouted. He was in hell, and he make his face like a wrinkly face, and irritating it was. But what to do? He said yes, okay, I'll help you with your work, but as I don't know anything about human history, so पैट्रिक को मेरी हेल्प करनी पड़ेगी. एंड पैट्रिक सेड yes, I'll help you. And they started doing their work, and Patrick used to help him in every possible way, whatever he can do. वो उसकी हेल्प करता था स्पेलिंग के प्रोनाउंसिएशंस में, मैथ्स में, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन. एल्फ was not knowing anything, so Patrick used to help him. And elf said that bring me more and more books from library, as I don't know anything and I need help from those books. So take some books from library also. So Patrick used to help him a lot in every possible way. Whenever elf didn't get any spelling, so वो पैट्रिक को बोलता था that spell me that spelling letter by letter and I'll note it down. So like this they keep on doing their Patrick's homework, and Patrick used to keep himself busy with homework. रात जग के homework करता था, and he used to go with red and swollen eyes in school. So everyone was like, why he is looking like this? But when 35 days passed away, at the end of the semester he submitted all his homework, and all the students were surprised, like how Patrick ने कैसे homework complete कर लिया, how Patrick completed his work. His teachers were happy. They were like, Patrick did it and got all the A in every subject. And his parents were also surprised that how Patrick did this. And from that very day his attitude toward his life changed. He used to do his work, all his work by own, his homework, his daily routine work, and everything he used to do all the things by his own. So at the end of this chapter, what we learned, that God helps them who help themselves. And Patrick was thinking that elf is doing his work. There was no one like elf or anything, but Patrick himself did all his work, and from that day he got his self-confidence towards his life. Let's see the hard words. Patrick, homework, boring, hockey, basketball, Nintendo, enormous, grabbed, surprise, tints, old-fashioned, breeches, witches, promise, wrinkled, dishcloth, thrown, kicked, feast, grimaced, swelled, crushed, squashed, dictionary, shrinked, history, puffed, cheerful, and attitude. Now meanings. Nintendo, a video game. Enormous, an ignorant person. Breeches, short trousers. Hamper, a basket. Grimaced, showing disgust and anger. Glitched, a fault in a machine that prevent it from working properly. Shrinked, gave a short, high-pitched cry. Thank you.